We're back, people. We're back. Did everyone like the Jackfest video? I hope you all did. I had a great time filming it. Got there about 6:30. Got the Skyline parked up. Thanks a lot to Club JDM UK. It was Nick and Katie who I spoke to. So thanks a lot to you two. That's yeah, really nice to meet you both. And thanks a lot for letting me join in on the stand. Yeah, Jackfest was a great day. It was insane how busy it was. I mean, the level of quality of cars, let alone the amount of cars that were just about. It was yeah, it was really hard to get around in a day. I didn't get around in a day. Really sorry to anyone whose car I didn't film. There's always next time. Hopefully, yeah, if anyone wants their car filming, send me a message. We'll try and get a feature going of your car. So yeah, thanks a lot to anyone who's viewed it, shared it, liked it, or anything like that. Really appreciate it. I'm really enjoying doing it all, and it's amazing to read and see when people leave a comment saying that you've enjoyed it. So I really appreciate that. Thank you. Today, as you can see, it's a parts day. Now, Hasport mounts, we've been waiting for these for a very long time. We'll have a look at those. We've got Hardrace inner and outer tie rods, and we've got basically the full front lower control arm bushes. So we've got the two compliance bushes, front and left, and then we've got the lower control arm bushes there. And we've also got the anti-roll bar stabiliser joints. So, genuine Hasport EKK2 mounts. Oh, we've got an ant on it there. But yeah, these come straight from Hasport. Thanks a lot to Dav and EHM for sorting that, and obviously Hasport for making the parts and shipping them over to me. Really appreciate that. They're obviously looking absolutely perfect. I mean, just look at them. Look at them shining, y'all. Yeah. So, and then obviously they come with bolts as well. Full hardware to make sure you get that all the correct bolts and everything like that, which is, yeah, great. We've got some stickers. Always good. Yeah, obviously I'll just show you these ones as well. So yeah, really decent quality mounts. You know, no chips or marks or anything like that. They're yeah, really good condition, as you would expect for new parts. But yeah, really happy for these. So we've got our anti-roll bar stabilisers, and obviously they're going to replace the OEM ones here. So just like that, basically. So we've got nice new ones of them to go on. Then we've got the compliance bushings, which go right there. So we've got those to replace. Then we've got these four, which go right there and right there. So boom, boom, a boom, boom. So yeah, so that's going to be the bushings, and then we've obviously got our inner and outer tie rods, which are these lovely little rusty numbers here. That's going to go in like that. Obviously there's going to be a new boot to go on it, and then that's going to join up like that. So we're going to literally have everything nice and shiny for this, and then I can clean this up, paint this up a little bit, just repaint it, paint it in silver potentially, keep everything else as is because it's good. I'm not too sure where I'm going to put this in the video, but yeah, I just wanted to basically say where I got the Hardrace parts from. So Apex Performance, I believe they're called, they're a dealer in Hardrace. So I actually managed to speak to themselves direct. The only reason why I did that is because I kind of wanted to ask some questions about K-swap parts, what parts would be best for my model of Civic, so the EJ9. Yeah, just more so K-swap related parts, K-swap related questions. So yeah, for anyone that works at Apex Performance, Tom especially, but yeah, Tom, anyone in the customer service for Hardrace, you all do a fantastic job. I just really appreciate all of the help with making sure I get the right parts for my build. So Hardrace, Tom at Hardrace, thank you all very much. And I also want to give a shout out to Gareth from Expression Culture. He's been absolute diamond. He's been sharing all of my videos. He's actually put me on to his, correct me if I'm wrong, Gareth, you're going to see this, but I think you have like a featured channels list. I think there's like 4 or 5 channels on there, and he's put me as one of his channels. So thank you very much, Gareth. I'm actually going to make a dedicated 1 minute and a half video, cinematic sort of video for Gareth CRC. So that is going to be coming to the channel hopefully in the next couple of days. So Gareth, you watch out for that as well. So I hope everyone likes that. Yeah, so like I say, it was only just a short, quick one, just to show you the new parts really, and to say thank you all for watching the Jackfest video and any of my previous videos. The old Mims video and VTech Junkies video is doing pretty well compared to the other ones. I think we're at 3,000 views or something. So anyone that's watched that, thank you all very much. Anyone that's watched any of my videos, thank you very much. Really appreciate your time, leaving a comment, anything like that. Thank you. Let's keep it up. So if you're seeing this right now, leave me a comment. I'll reply. Yeah, thank you very much for your time. I hope you like the parts, and we'll see you again soon.